Yo, what's up? This is the new video, and on this video gonna be looking at US30, the Dow. Alright, so let's just clean it up, man, because even with the Dow, it's still safe, man. That's how it looks. Alright, so not gonna be long. Alright, so from our previous video, we did state that this is a powerful level. It's a very powerful zone, man, and the market did respect what we said. Alright, we said the market. Okay, let's go to weekly. Excuse me. So we did say that this level is very powerful, man. The market cannot break it, and it failed to. Alright, yes, look at it. It did went inside for a little, but just a week, man. Like just this shadow area. Alright, it didn't close inside it. Remember, what's more important with candlesticks is the body, like the opening and the closing. It's more important, like the opening and the closing. And what did it do? It didn't open inside it. It didn't close inside it. It only visited. It was only a visitor. All right. So it just peeked inside and then, yeah, made a decision that nah, that's not where I belong. All right. So now we're still safe from this zone here, this negative zone, man, because if it had closed inside it, man, the chances for it like just going down and down up until somewhere here, like below let's see, below 20,000 here, like the chances were very high, but it did not do that. All right, so yeah, we are fortunate that it did not. It respected the levels. All right, because that's what the market does, man. Always respect the levels. So from at this point, we can tell that, all right, the market, yeah, it's gonna go up. That's what we are looking for, because where we at now, like, you don't even have to think about it. We had a powerful support level, which is like played a very powerful resistance level at its side. If you could pay attention at its side, it was a very like extremely powerful resistance level. All right, just look at it. The market came strong, came very powerfully strong. All right, and then when it reached this level, what did it do? It went extremely low, like just went extremely low. Again at this side, the market couldn't break, just came back down. And then yeah, you see even here, as it broke, like it had a bit of a struggle before it could completely broke the structure. It had a struggle. All right, so then eventually did break. All right, so here we are here again. All right, so at that powerful level. So what do we think the market's gonna do? It's gonna go up. That's what the market's gonna do, because this is a very powerful level, very powerful. I mean, look at this side. What did it do? When it came to it, it struggled. All right, so this like it's gonna play this kind of force, like this kind of force is gonna play out at this side, but obviously at the opposite direction. All right, so you might expect something like this, but obviously not exactly like that. All right, so from at this point, the market's just gonna go up, because if we go to 4 hour here, and then have a look at our structure here. Remember what I said about the no-brainer. We cut this structure in half, and then if you could cut this one in half, can tell that the structure is complete. All right, and when the structure is complete, we wait for the market to give us direction of the new structure. All right, so obviously because the structure ended with a downwards movement, so now the new structure is likely to be an upwards movement. All right, an upward structure, because it's a new structure for me. So let's see if we have more levels. Alright, so yeah, you can see here, it's not like this trend is crazy. Like, it's not, doesn't have those well aligned peaks. All right, yeah, it does have some alignment, but not precisely. All right, so yeah, so the market might do different stuff. Maybe we can put another here. All right, So as the market's gonna play out, let me show you how it's gonna play out. This might be possible from here at this point. When it reaches here at this resistance level, because of this trend line here I just do, it might play a role that yes, it might justify come back here, all right, and then give us that double bottom, then break structure maybe, and then as it reaches here, fail again, and then come back, and then maybe once again, then break, come back to test, and then finally, all right, because we are looking for the market to break to the upside, all right. So obviously can't just break, man. There are levels also here, and then from at this point the market comes back and then up again, and then maybe, because there are levels has to respect, and then maybe create a new high, all right, or maybe respect this one, all right. So this is what we are looking for the market to do. And if you look at the overall structure, the one I just added, and for maybe here, you can see that we do have something like a W shape, all right. So that's what we are looking for the market to do, all right. It might, it may not, all right, may not, all right. So there's a possible movement that you are looking for, we are looking to capitalize on, all right. So obviously for this coming week, man, that's what we are looking for. Be aware of this alignment here, for the market might respect it. So meaning at this point here, 30,329, somewhere around there, the market is gonna resist. So when the market reaches that level, it's gonna just go down, all right. So be aware, all right. So you should write it as a powerful zone, so that when the market reaches it, even if you saw a strong momentum of a bullish candlesticks, be alert that at this level the market's gonna retest, like it's gonna resist. That I'm certain it's gonna resist, and it can even resist here, because there's a level here, all right. So it can resist even here at 3,000, at 30,000, all right. So be alert, all right. So for this coming week, we're also gonna be looking for a bullish structure this side, and then when we reach level 30,329 or 30, somewhere there, just gonna resist and then pick up again, all right, up until we break the structure, all right. So that's what we are looking for this coming week, man. Hope you learned something. If you did, peace.